Okay, so today what we're going to do is compare fractions. There's many ways to compare fractions, but one of the easiest ways is to cross multiply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two fractions, let's say 3/4, and let's take another one, let's say 9/10. Okay, so this is a little tricky because of the fact that they have different denominators, so it makes it a little bit more difficult to compare them. One way is to cross multiply. So to cross multiply, what we're going to do is take the denominator for one, and we're going to multiply it by the numerator of the other. So 4 times 9 is 36. Then I'm going to take 10 and multiply it by the 3. So you can see I made like an X there. So 10 times 3 is 30. I look at 36 and I look at 30. Look at both of them. And I notice that the 36 is bigger than the 30. So that means 9/10 is bigger than the 3/4. So that's why I put the inequality as 3/4 is less than 9/10. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say I have 4/5, and let's say I have 7/8. Again, tricky because the denominators are different. So again, we cross multiply. So I start with the 5, go up and multiply by the 7, I get 35. I start with the denominator 8 over here, go up and multiply by 4, and I get 32. And I notice that 35 is bigger than 32, so 7/8 is bigger than 4/5. Let's try another. So let's say I have 3/4 and I have 1/3. Now this one you could probably figure out in your head which one's bigger, but let's just try cross multiplying. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. So if you look at it, 9's bigger. So 3/4 is bigger than 1/3. Okay, one more. So let's say I have 1/3 and I have 3/9. I look at it and I do 9 times 1 is 9. 3 times the 3 is 9. If you notice, they're both the same. So if they're both the same, it's equal to. So 1/3 is equal to 3/9.